Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY ice maker and the Nugget ice maker. In this video, we'll explore their unique features, ice production capabilities, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or office. The AGLUCKY ice maker produces bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are perfect for cooling drinks quickly. In contrast, the Nugget ice maker creates chewable nugget ice, known for its soft texture and ability to absorb flavors, making it ideal for cocktails and blended drinks. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a significant factor in your decision. When it comes to ice production, the AGLUCKY ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, with 9 cubes ready in just 6 minutes. On the other hand, the Nugget ice maker boasts a higher capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it a better choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. If you need more ice, the Nugget ice maker might be the way to go. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $119, making it a budget-friendly option for those who want a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Nugget ice maker comes with a higher price tag of $199, reflecting its premium features and higher ice production capacity. Consider your budget and how much you're willing to invest in an ice maker. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and Nugget ice makers have their strengths. If you're looking for an affordable, compact option, the AGLUCKY is a great choice. However, if you prioritize higher ice production and the unique chewable Nugget ice, the Nugget ice maker is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.